Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.2, Problem 24. This is Section 2.2, Problem 24. It says find the prime factorization of the number, write repeated factors using exponents, and the number we have to find the prime factorization of is 350. So we want to break this down into the primes that multiply to make 350. So the first two numbers that I see to multiply to make 350 would be 35 times 10. So neither one of those is prime, so they both have to be split down some more. So the 35 we can make with 5 times 7. The 10 will also split into 2 times 5. Now at this point, everything in that row is prime. So this is as far as I can go. 5 times 7 times 2 times 5 multiplies to make 350. They're all prime numbers. So I will write 350 equals, and typically you start with the smallest prime, which is 2, times, the next one is 5. It shows up in two spots, so to use exponents, I would, instead of writing two 5s, I write 5 to the second power, and then times 7 on the end. So that's the prime factorization of 350. These primes multiplied together will multiply out to 350.